Hi, so we're going to go through a sample on how to do a tibia. We're going to go to an 8P x-ray from our samples, and I'm going to show you a few things here. This is the scaling method, and this x-ray was taken with our sizer, but we're going to use auto. But there's some magnification corrections. If you use our sizer with the elevators and put it at the same level of the bone, you don't have to use this and the sizing will be perfect. But if you're going to put the sizers flat on the x-ray table, you're going to need a little bit of correction. And we took a whole bunch of x-rays in the past and measured these out. And this is the correction that you'd get for a tibia. So I'm going to do a magnification correction because this sizer was placed right on the flat x-ray table, not raised up with our elevators. Then I'm going to go to auto. Here you go. We size that, and now this is sized to our board. I'm going to turn this over. It's a little bit big for the board, so I'm going to decrease the size a little bit so it fits on. There we go, and we're going to start with this. And I always like to work with the negative, so I've got this little button here which turns it into the negative. It makes it easier for me to see. I'm going to show you how to maybe magnify this a little bit. If you're working and the pieces are small because it's a tibia or a femur and you really want to outline this, so you're going to zoom and you're going to bring that into a larger picture, and then you can use these side bars to bring that up. Now it's a little bit bigger, and I can go to my polygon trace now with this a lot bigger size and start to do my trace. And again, with these smaller areas for big bone and very small area to work with, I can always zoom in and make it a bigger area to work with, like that, and then center it again. It allows me to put in my implants here. So this is how I did this case. I'm going to show you the slideshow. First put it into a negative. I outline the pieces, and then we reduce them, as you can see here. And we put on our lateral plate to hold the reduction, and indirect reduction for the tibia, direct reduction for the fibula. And then we put in a nail, and we filled in the implants. And then we did it on lateral, again, reducing everything and putting in our similar implants in the lateral position. And that's the end result. You have both templates.